Alright guys, where are we dropping? It's not that bad, come on. Come on guys, let's just play. What do you mean, man? I wear this thing every night. Wait, let me... Guys, come on, it's not that bad. Where are we dropping? Guys, you got me killed. My mic is not that bad. You're telling me this doesn't sound good? Fine. I'll get something better.
Where we dropping, boys? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is David with Side of Tech. Nice to see you guys here in the brand new year of 2022. Unfortunately for me, it's been kind of hectic because I've been sick for the last 2 weeks and I'm now just getting better. But getting into it, today we're going to be talking about the Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset. So this headset retails for $229.99. So today we're going to be covering the key features, pros and cons, and also I'm going to give my overall verdict and my overall review at the end of the video. So be sure to stay for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really want to earn your subscription today. And also feel free to check out all my social media. I'll have everything listed down in the description below. And without any further delay, let's go ahead and check them out. So what are you getting when you're buying this headset? Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So first off, you're going to be getting a wireless dongle that lets you utilize the Lightspeed wireless technology, a couple of extra cloth ear cups, which might I add, most manufacturers don't even include, a little bit of literature, and sadly, no stickers. A nice little bag to keep your headset in, and in that bag comes your USB-C charging cable, which is awesome, and also is your detachable mic, which we're gonna go over in a later portion of the video. And last but not least is your G Pro X headset. Now we're going to move on to the key features. Let's start off with the Lightspeed wireless technology, which is specific to Logitech itself, and this really helps out with latency whenever you're gaming or just using the headset on an everyday basis. You're also going to get 50mm drivers, which really help propel the bass in this headset, and whenever you're utilizing the DTS surround sound, it really helps to keep track of everyone all around you, especially if you're into competitive gaming. It also comes with a steel headband, which makes the product super durable. The adjustments on the side are made out of aluminum, which really makes it nice and smooth whenever you're adjusting your preferences. You also have this really nice subtle branding on the side, which is not all up in your face. The rest of the body is made out of plastic and also has a rubbery texture to it, which does pick up a lot of fingerprints. The ear cups that come pre-installed with the headset are made out of a leatherette, not real leather, while the cushioning is made out of memory foam. You have the option of that or the cloth ear cups, which can help especially with heat problems. The ear cups come with the following buttons: a mute toggle which will mute and unmute your mic, a smooth scrolling volume rocker which sadly does not have any kind of tactility to it, a toggle on-off switch which also comes with a light, a USB-C charging port which is desperately needed in the whole entire line of G Pro products, and the last port is where you're going to plug in your detachable mic. And speaking of mics, let's do a mic test. Alright guys, so on to the mic test. Right now you're listening to the Rode Video Mic Pro, which is the mic that I use for all my YouTube videos, and I also have a fan off to the side making some background noise. I want to test it out with the headset, so we're gonna switch over to the headset audio right now. So what do you guys think? I feel like it does sound a little bit flat and compressed and doesn't really sound all too great. It's not anything crazy, but what you're really gonna get this headset for is for the Blue Voice capability. So let's switch on over to that right. All right, so now I do have the Blue Voice on, and I feel like it just enriches your whole entire voice. It does sound a little bit artificial. Other Blue mics that streamers and other people use may sound a lot better, but I feel like this sounds pretty great and a lot better than the default setting.
So I give this one a pass.
The cool thing is in the software you can adjust what type of blue voice setting that you want. You can fully customize your own setting, or you can choose amongst a whole bunch of esport players presets. For example, I have my boy Bjerg's audio preset, and I think this is one of my favorites. This is why I really like the G-Hub software. You can really customize this headset to how you want it to be, whether that's the surround sound or any kind of audio levels that you want. The choice is yours. The last key feature I'm going to go over is the battery life. So with this headset, you're going to get 20 hours of playback whenever you have the volume set to 50%. I rarely have any kind of problems with the battery. This thing will last you all day. So starting off the pros, I know that looks are subjective, but man, do I love the look of this headset. The Logitech logo with the metal background just looks super nice to me, and with the all black body, yeah, this thing looks pretty sweet. I love how much you can customize this headset through the software. Basically tuning it to my ears was just the best part, and whenever I got into an intense gaming session, this headset really shined. The battery literally lasts me all day, and whenever I'm done gaming, I just charge it up overnight and I don't ever have to worry about a low battery. Moving on to the cons of the product, I really don't like how Logitech implemented the removal of the ear cups. I really think that they should have implemented something with magnets. I also wish that the ear cups could swivel. It would have made it a lot more comfortable whenever resting the headset onto my neck. And the last gripe that I have is that whenever I'm putting on the headset or taking it off, I find myself accidentally pressing the mute toggle button. Maybe making it into an actual button instead of a toggle switch probably would be a better idea. Okay, so let's go through the grading points now. So the price to value, I think, is pretty worth it. This headset goes on sale all the time and is probably on sale right now. Not only are you getting software, which some headsets actually don't even come with, you're getting a pretty reliable brand name behind it, which is Logitech, but just the overall package that comes with it is pretty solid. So I'm gonna rate this section a 4. Now, do the pros outweigh the cons? I believe they do. There's still a couple of gripes that I have with the product. This is kind of a chonky headset. I do find myself hitting like my mic here in the corner, for example. There's not any kind of deal breakers that I found with the product. This thing just works super reliably. So for this one, I'm gonna give it a 4. And now onto the handling of the product and the overall feel of it. This part is where I have most of my gripes with it. Some of the buttons on here on the side is just, they're easily pressable. It's not as tactile as I want it to be. You're gonna want to have some tactileness, and I'm sure Logitech can improve this in the future. But overall, with the problem I had with the handling, I had to give this section a 3. All right, so onto the verdict. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3.5 out of 5. So 3.5 out of 5 in my eyes is a pretty solid score. Might even bump this up to a 4. If you have kind of like a bigger head like I do, I know for a fact that it's kind of hard for us to find like the perfect headset. This one will fit your head. You might have to max it out though, but it'll work. Really reliable, and I hope you guys will enjoy if you guys do pick up one. Man, I just noticed I look kind of bummy in this video. Sorry guys. So again, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I am very sorry that I had to have you guys wait for a little bit longer. I really can't wait for you guys to watch the next video. I'm super excited for it. So I hope you guys can get excited too. And if you follow me on all my social media, you know, I like to spoil things a little bit. Go ahead and follow everything down in the description below. And if you want to pick up the headset that I covered today, all the links and everything are going to be down in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. For any new subscribers out there, I know you guys will enjoy the content that I'm going to be putting out this year. Like I say in every single video, I want to earn your subscription. I sound like a salesman, but trust me, I'm not. I'm just here to review some products to help some people out. And with all that being said, my name is David, serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.